Following the peaceful demonstration at Jantar Mantar in Delhi, the indigenous people of Mandi organized a march rally in support of David Mura Singh. The rally's primary demands were the deportation of illegal immigrants and the immediate implementation of the Triprasa Accord. TTAADC Council Chairman Jagadish Debbarma participated in the rally alongside the public.
The rally in Mandi was a powerful show of solidarity with Tripura Motha leader David Mura Singh, who recently concluded a foot march to Delhi to highlight the same issues. The participants, led by TTAADC Council Chairman Jagadish Debbarma, marched through the locality, carrying placards and chanting slogans to emphasize their long-standing demands for constitutional safeguards and the protection of indigenous rights.
Especially the peoples of Triprasa Saimano, Bharat Hakotoni Rajakho, Dilliwo, Tabukbo Dilliwo Saltanyako, Salchani sitting demonstration Tolitongo, Joto Tripura Hasin Takuk Bukuk Song Saimano, Horoksa Sikla, Jubok, David Mura Singh Taibini Logi, Shot Dozona. 2,500 kilometer पैदल यात्रा खाइमानी परे 6 तारिख सेप्टेम्बर दिल्ली सौफैया तिनी त्रिपुरास्टेनी पाइथाक बुबाग्रा महाराजा वीर विक्रम किशोर माणिक्य बाहादुरनी बुसुक हानि बुबाग्रा श्री 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 हिज हाइनेस बुबाग्रा प्रद्युत किशोर देबबर्मन बसाका तिनी दिल्ली वो जे सिटिंग डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन दिल्ली वो जेटा कि प्रसारक तिनी असेंबल खाइमानी तिनी वो स्पेशल डे एबव पॉलिटिक्स नो पार्टी फ्लैग नो पार्टी स्लोगन नो पार्टिकुलर द लीडर ऑफ द पार्टीज बाय नेम लॉन्ग लीग कि प्रसार लॉन्ग लीग तिनी मोसालो बुबाग्रा दागिका कि प्रहासिव जे तंगना जोतो तो थांगमाया चिनी सिकला नेता डेविड मुरा सिंह लोगी 14 जन प्लांग थांगै कायथाम सानमुं दाक्ति दाक्ति खायै ऑल इलीगल माइग्रेंट्स बेआइनी अनुप्रवेशकारी रखनो भारत सरकार मिनिस्टर ऑफ Home Affairs 19 May Kaisa notification khakya within the 1 month as per notification of the Minister of Home Affairs the deadline is 19 May to 20 June tabuk gochin Tripura sarkar Tripura hastewo illegal migrant nongo tikranya ni kuno ta jongmani kre immediately identified khai borno detention ma khainai deport ma khainai detention camp khai go back ma khainai 1 point demand second point demand 125th Indian Constitution amendment khai immediately as per 6th schedule of autonomous district council no more power, more financial power, more department abo maya farnai chini 3 number demand tabuk Tripura haste rege jot to kami wo kono am chayo kami kono am chayo regional base kono am chayo sub zonal wise jota jagono ham chang rally ngitomu constitution amendment khai for our future for saving the Triprasa people, for saving the indigenous peoples. Immediately, Union government, Indian Constitution Amendment, separate Greater Tripura land from Khadi. 3-point demand. Ang appeal khaina muchungo, all the demands, interest for the Triprasa. Or could party in Kokre. One who belong, he may be Communist Party, one Triprasa, he may be belong Congress, he may be belong BJP, he may be belong any party, but you are the Tipra Shah.
Reported by Malin from Mandai, Chinikhora.